Hello everyone, I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft could not create Java virtual machine error. First, check if your computer has a leftover Java environment variable. This setting can force Minecraft to use the wrong memory options, which may stop the game from opening. Press the Windows key and type environment variables, then edit the system environment variables. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables near the bottom. Now look through both the User Variables section and the System Variables section. Search for a variable named Java Options. If you find it, select it, click Delete, and then click OK to save the changes. Close all the windows and try launching Minecraft again. If Minecraft still does not open, your Java installation may be damaged or outdated. In that case, install a fresh version of Java. Open your web browser and go to the official Java download page. Download the latest version that matches your operating system, then run the installer and complete the installation. Once it finishes, restart your computer to make sure the changes are applied. After restarting, try launching Minecraft again. Thanks for watching.